Thanks for tuning in. We have got another exciting video for you. I think it will be. Anyway, today we're going to fix this golf cart. Let me show you what it's doing. When you hit the gas, let me see if I can set it right there. You guys watch this center and you'll see what's happening. When I turn this thing on and I hit the gas, oh, now it's going to work. Well, that's weird. Alright, that absolutely could not have went any more wrong. Normally what would happen is this thing would go nowhere and that center axle would spin right inside here. It would just spin. This axle right here would spin and the golf cart would not move because that hub in there is stripped out. So of course when I try to show you guys, it works. Huh. Wouldn't you know it? Well, anyway, we're going to switch it. I'm going to show you how it's stripped out and prove not just fixing things to fix things. I'm not just fixing them. I'm not fixing stuff just to fix it. That's what I'm trying to say is it's broke. It really is broke. And I'll show you what we got. We ordered this off the old interweb, Amazon. This is our new one. We get this baby opened up. Oh man. Yeah. They like to really package them, guys. They like to package them. Look at that. They even give us new lug nuts, cotter pin, all the good stuff. Directions. This is what it is, though. This is what we're talking about. Here's the money shot. New brake drum. These are the splines that are stripped out on our old one. So we're going to go ahead and rip that tire off. We're going to get it jacked up. Now that I moved, I had the jack set up, so it was going to be really easy. But now that it moved on me, we'll have to reset it up. We're going to put the new one on anyway, because I'm going to put this thing on the interweb and sell it to somebody. And if someone's going to buy it, I don't want it messing up on them right after I sell it. It's just not cool, man. And we're going to zip this off. Just like this. Like this. Like that. Then we got a nut in the middle. Like this. Gonna pull that one off. Let me get you guys down here. You can see what we're doing. So simple stuff here, guys. We just took the lug nuts off. We took the center bolt off. Normally there's this dust cap on there, but I already took that off just to make it a little more enjoyable video, I guess. Pop this off. Pop our wheel off. Roll it out of the way. This should slide right off. Easy peasy. Now I'm hoping, what did I do with the new one? I lost it. Oh. Hoping this one's the same. Sure looks like it. Oh wait. No, it does not look like it. This one's a little bit taller. See how it's a little bit taller? You guys probably can't tell, but hopefully it'll still work. If you look in here, it's hard to see on the camera, but the splines are stripped out in this one. So I'm hoping it's going to be just as easy as taking this one, sliding it on here. Except it might not be. Hopefully I got the right one. It's supposed to be the right one. I'm going to clean these splines up. See if maybe that's why. It looks like there's a lot of crud in them. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you what I had to do. I'm going to show you one-handed, but I had to take the screwdriver and clean all these little splines right here out, because they had a bunch of stuff in them, which was causing our brake drum not to slide on there. Now that that's done, we should be able to slide it right on with no problem. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There we go. So we got that slid on. Now we just gotta put this on here. And I do appreciate each and every one of you watching. We just kind of like to joke around, have fun. I just thought I'd do a quick video on this. Thought it might be interesting to somebody. So up here, this is the package they gave us with all the good stuff. New lug nuts, new washers. We didn't use those, but the old washer was fine. But I am gonna need to steal. I'm gonna get the new cotter pin out of here. Slide her right down in here. Just like so. Let's see if we can get a hold of it with these. Get her pulled through there. And we need to get it bent around a little bit, so we don't want it flying off. There we go. I like that. Okay, dust cap. Give that a tap. Throw our wheel back on. And we will try this again. I guess we could use the new lug nuts. What do you think? Might as well. That way we know they're the right ones for this hub. All right, that should do it, guys. Let's hop on this thing, see if we can take it for a ride, even though it acted like it was moving the first time and it wasn't supposed to. Which, you know, I'm not YouTube perfect. I just leave the mistakes in there. I don't care. You know, we're just having fun. And if you like my videos, then that's awesome. Keep making them, because I think they're fun to make. We went ahead and dropped the jack. We got her all four on the ground. I do know this tire over here is a little low. Kind of hard to see in the video, but we're going to take it for a ride anyway. Even though the tire's a little low, we'll air it up after we get back. We'll just run it down the driveway and back. We'll just run down the driveway here and just see if it worked. If it didn't, then that's not cool. I think it probably did. So let's give it a try. Okay, everybody hang on. Power it up here. There we go. Says we got 79%. So far so good. We are moving. Do the brakes work? Oh wow, they work a lot better than they used to. Matter of fact, that low tire worries me a little bit, but it's okay. So far so good. Well, seems to be working good now. We'll just take her around here and back up into the garage. I think we got it fixed, guys. Oh yeah. She's definitely working good now. Will it do a burnout? We're not going to try it. We don't want to strip another axle. But I will say, she's definitely working. thanks for watching, everybody. I know it was just a quick little video. And I'm sorry about when I tried to show you that it didn't actually show you, but I promise you it was broken. It is fixed now. If anyone else is having that trouble, you hit your gas and your golf cart won't go, pop that little hub off of there. See if your axle's spinning. If your axle's spinning by itself, your hub's bad. That's all I did to figure it out. Not that tough, guys. You guys can do it. Remember, sitting on the couch isn't going to finish that project. Get out there and do something, man. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you're new to the channel, check out some of our other videos. We got a cool spree video we did where we just took this thing from not running to rebuilt and running. Got a few other videos on there. And we're going to try and keep the videos coming. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. And thanks again. Tune in next time.